Sticking with Galaxy, we have the M51, which I believe we've talked about on this show as some features had started to leak out or be rumored what this thing was going to be, particularly around battery life, because the battery life on this thing is said to be just bananas. 7,000 milliamp hour battery, which is kind of, especially at the budget level.
Is that like the biggest battery?
No, because you had those crazy endurance phones, put 12,000 milliamp hour, but they were, Vin had one of those actually. Vin, what was the battery? 10,000. He had a 10,000 phone on, what was the brand? Oukatel. He had an Oukatel 10,000 milliamp hour. It was a tank. It was a brick in his pocket. If he wore basketball shorts, his shorts were down around his ankles. It's very embarrassing, You try to go out in public and he's all about this Oukatel. But anyways, it served a purpose. It was for the outdoors type. It was for people who were away from the power outlet for a period of time. This one taking a similar angle, presumably in a smaller package than those original high capacity devices like the one that Vin had. The M51 could feature a 6.65 inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 730, and 7,000 milliamp hour battery. We have 128 gigs of internal storage, also rumored, full HD plus. As far as resolution is concerned, it's important to note, well, this is a budget device. Mm-hmm. Well, budget in terms of, compared to the S stuff and the flagship Samsung stuff, I think this actually comes in even maybe below the A series.
Wow.
I'm not sure. Did they have any rumors on pricing here? I
remember the A stuff being really, really
affordable.
Yeah.
Friendly. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know where the M lines up comparative to that. It might be right in line with the A series or maybe a little below or a little above, but it's definitely less than the flagship level. It's also likely to have 25-watt fast charging for that 7,000 milliamp hours, 8 gigs of RAM, and the Snapdragon 730 series. Now, with the 730 series, it's pretty decent at battery efficiency. Mm-hmm. So a 7,000 milliamp hour battery with a 730 Snapdragon, you could imagine some tremendous, few days maybe of battery life, which is that'll be crazy to see on a Samsung branded device, not some obscure brand, but a Samsung branded device, 7,000 milliamp hours. For me, at least with flagships, it's sort of capped at 5,000 around there. So you get used to that, and you don't want to go backwards. You want to have at least that, but 7,000, that would be, it's going to be a fat phone. It's not going to be the slimmest thing in the world, but still,